can't wait to open this. So happy. So this is the first time I ordered an artist box. I mean, yeah, they are a little bit expensive, and I always think, why should I order something like this when there is like only 2-3 pieces of art supply are inside, and then you pay a lot of money for that. But these two were on sale, so I had to order them, and I'm really excited to see how it looks inside. I have never opened one of them, so I can't wait. So let's see which one. Let's take this one. Yeah, so this one is from the March 2020. Yay, 1 year behind. So what do we have here? Oh, this looks so nice. This tiny thing is also really nice. Okay, I don't want to break it. Just like this. So what do we have inside? So there is I think it's also a small sticker. Oh, it's so nice. What else? Oh, there is, I think these are the supplies that are inside. 3 of the Spectrum Noir markers, black liner. Yeah, we will check these. Okay, yeah, this is just like this. Oh, these are huge. OMG, what is this? Really? Huh? Why are they so big? I don't get it. Oh my god. Okay. Let's open it. Okay, how long does it take? No. Okay, they are really packed really good. Oh my god, really? What is this? These are huge. Let me, okay, so this is my Ohuhu marker, like this size. Look at this. This is like, it's so huge. They're so big. Okay, let's put this on the side. So what do we have? Blue turquoise shades, BT7, BT8 and BT9. Oh, no way. Oh my god, this is so cool. That's why they are probably called 3 blend markers. I'm so funny. Oh my god, I was thinking this was just like a name from the Spectrum Noir, and then OMG, so there are like 3 markers in one marker. That is really interesting. We have one here. Ah, okay. One there. And one there. So actually the filling inside, yeah, it's probably really small, but you get 3 markers. That's nice. So we have that one. Then there is another color. Also 3 again. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Yeah, this one I already have. I like it. It's nice. Now I have another one. So what is this? Rembrandt Art Design Lyra HB. It's okay. It's HB pencil. I think I have a lot of them, but another one, it's fine. And what is this? Black liner, 0.4 millimeter. This one will also be nice. Oh, what is this? It's a chew bar. Aw, I hope it's not expired because this box is 1 year old. Is there a date on it? Is there a date? Is there an expiration date? Oh, there is. Wait, 30th of June 2021. I can still eat it. So nice. Okay, I can still eat this one. Oh, and what is this? And then what else do we have? Let's put this paper away. So what is this? This looks so nice. This is really nice. I like it. I wish I could draw like this. So this is done by Hatch. An artist from London. Looks really nice. This looks really nice. I like it a lot. Okay, and what do we have here? We have a 5 layout pad, 70 GSM. So that's thin paper, but so it is bleed proof. Yeah, so I will try it. I mean, these papers are usually, they're so thin, you have to be careful, like not to make some wrinkles. But yeah, see how thin this is. But it is nice to draw on them, and so I will try this with these markers. Yay, I'm so excited. How many are there? 20 sheets. That's also nice. Actually, I did not know what I will get. I was actually expecting, I didn't know. I was thinking like maybe they send you 1 or 2 sheets, but this is nice. It's like the whole pad. That's really nice. Yeah. So that's what's inside of this box. Oh, was it like this? No, it was like this. And the markers. So these are probably the colors that you get. And so the sweet thing. And the eraser. Yeah, the sticker also inside. So what do we have here? I think it's just a description. Yeah, it's just a description of the things you get. Yeah, so I'm happy to try this out. Yes.